Hello everyone, this video is about the skeleton dress-up command in Woodwork for Inventor. I'm Ritesh Guru, working in all CAD solution as an application engineer. Let's take a quick look of what is skeleton dress-up and how it works. It is the technology to create the wooden panel amongst the skeleton body. With the help of this skeleton modeling approach, we can save a lot of time and we can increase productivity as well. Let's start with the simple cabinet. I will create one cube over here which has a length close to 1000 mm. We'll take width equal to 700. We'll set this view as a top view. With the help of simple extrude command, I will mention height. Let's consider it as a 1500 mm. Alright, this will be my skeleton body. I will move to skeleton dress-up tab. Here I can find dress-up command over here. With the help of that, I can mention my skeleton body over here. Here we can see, with the help of this all select faces, we can select apply the panel over all the faces, or we can apply individually as well as per our requirement. We can edit the thickness. It is taken 18 mm as by default, which is standard thickness. Okay, in this case I will take select all the faces. Alright, here I can see my panel has been applied on my skeleton. My skeleton I can hide with the help of this command, so it will be more visible and clear. Alright, now I will do some modification in this. We can use the direct command over here, so that I can create door from this panel. We will move this panel a little bit away from the body, like 25 mm. Alright, now here we can see all separate bodies has been created as a separate component, in which I can hide any individual body. Alright, now again I will move to dress-up command. Here we'll take a look of clone command. With the help of this command, I can create a shape. I can mention the offset, how much offset I want from the bottom. Here I will take 600 mm offset. Okay, fine. But here I can see this shell has been inserted in another panel, so I need to trim this. With the help of this trim command, I can trim this panel with reference to other panels. Alright. In the same way, I can trim this panel with this, same as for this panel as well. Alright. Now my trimming operation has been almost done. If I don't want to trim those panels, I can use miter command instead. Just need to select two panels. Here we can see the miter operation has been performed. Okay, in this tutorial it's all about the skeleton modeling approach. In next tutorial we will see how we can create the assembly and how we can assign the material and further processes. Thank you.